Remind me, you got to do that back up again.
Step 1, remove all your interior trim.
That's right, remove all the crap out of the back. In a Subaru Forester, you'll find a little plate like this. Under there,
Smells delicious.
is your fuel thing. You can probably do that thing back up.
The cat.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Right. Under your 4 screws, remove that will show you the fuel, what's a majiggy, who do you call it, thing. Power connector, couple of lines. Tried to burst these, life's gonna suck otherwise. It's probably a safe bet to say that these have never been changed. This pump's the original pump. Now these ones are a little bit differently.
11 years.
You will have a little bit of fuel leak out, but that's alright, that's expected. You should always make sure you disconnect both battery terminals. Make sure you're not out, near someone with a propane torch or having a barbecue.
I could really go barbecue right now.
I could go a barbecue too. Alright. Just gonna gently wriggle these pipes back and forth to get them off. Okay, one's off, just put it out of the way.
3 hours later. It's off.
Alright, you need to undo all these. You remove all the bolts. And by bolts I mean nuts. Remove the nuts. Oh, I see my car was blue underneath.
Blue?
The colour it should be. Alright.
Keep it the undercoat.
That's right. Now we'll need to move all the pipes out of the way. Actually, you want to hold?
How's Byron?
Good.
Besides really cute.
He's doing good. Hey. It's pretty sick having a kid. Don't light up a cigarette now.
Okay.
Really feel like a smoke.
So glad you said something.
Because otherwise I was thinking about lighting up. Right, get that thing to soak off down into there. Alright, when you pull it out, this is what it looks like. So what we'll be replacing today is this here, with a nice shiny new one. And this puppy here, with a nice super powerful one. Here we have the Deutschwerks 200. Power connector thing out as well. Would not be unexpected for there to be fuel running out of this at some point. No. Now you'll notice that they shipped us with a new puppy. It looks like it's got, yeah, they're almost they're identical. You may not need to use this, depends what the quality of this one's in. Wriggle.
Here we are. Mmm, tasty. Yeah. On that thing, so the little node pops up through. Yeah, that's it. And
So
you
that's it
push it
on
on
there.
that. Yeah.
Oh, you put it on after you've slotted it in?
Yeah.
Mm.
So you 100% make sure it's on right, and then you put it on because we have to take one off. I don't know.
Seriously?
Maybe the screwdriver.
So what is that? Well, it's got the little like...
This is the fuel pump. And
yeah, it's like a first level filter.
Make sure no crap hole goes in.
That's
yeah.
it.
Then there's got another one in the engine bay too. See, my one's only got the intake one.
You don't have an engine bay
I
one?
don't have an engine bay one.
It's interesting.
You wore that
Put
puppy,
that
you
on.
got Gold Rush, you got All the different types. You've got a red light flashing there, does that mean
Smoker.
Your fault she's a pack a day.
Well, it's just about too much.
Shoot away.
Winnie blue.
Yeah, boys. Ranunculars.
Your 530 is probably pretty good.
It's like, yeah, baby. It's got a hole in it, so I thought, you know, I'd use it as a cloth, a loin.
a loincloth.
Subarus don't have sound, do they?
So does anybody just pay the LNI and be done with it?
Yeah, yeah.
Is in there?
Not advisable.
Just have to go.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh dear. Straight down.
Mad.
These things are cheap.
Mm-hmm. There's a pain in the butt.
Engine there.
Mm.
With a new pump.
Nah, about your injectors, so and they haven't checked.
Fuel. Not going that high.
Take it.
I wouldn't do this.
200.
Yeah.
Deco!